My name is Jass. I have Clarence on keys. I have James on drums. We on the 3rd floor of Prospero's Books, Prospero's Bell Tower. Good morning. Welcome to the smooth sound of rain falling down. Welcome to the smooth sound of rain falling down. Welcome to the smooth sound of rain falling down. I think I'm getting used to the sound. Woke up to deep breaths I'm taking, exhaling Earth's medication. Close my eyes for meditation, open to my liberation, ready to put my feet right on the pavement. Check my phone, the homie sent a fire playlist. Turn my speaker up so I can hear that bass hit. And as soon as it got to this joint that I like, it turned off cause my speaker died. Welcome to the smooth sounds of rain falling down. Welcome to the smooth sounds of rain falling down. Welcome to the smooth sounds of rain falling down. I think I'm getting used to the sound. And so I grab my keys, I grab my phone, I'm about to run about a mile. Then I'm running to the store, grab some things that I need, and then some won't. Hopped in line, self-checkout was kinda long. It's my turn, we finally get to me. The lady at the counter said it's 83.43. I felt around me and I probably could have screamed. I didn't have my wallet on me. Welcome to the smooth sounds of rain falling down. Welcome to the smooth sounds of rain falling down. Welcome to the smooth sounds of rain falling down. Yeah. I think I'm getting used to the sound. Oh, so just rain down on me. Oh, just rain down on me. Yeah. Oh, just rain down on me. Ooh, just rain on me. Oh, just rain down on me. La 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 la, let it fall. Oh, rain down on me. La 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 la, let it fall. Oh, rain down on me. La 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 la, let it fall. Just rain on me. That felt good, y'all. Let's do girl. I let it grow and let it grow and let it grow. I let it grow and let it grow and let it grow. I let it grow and let it grow and let it grow. I let it grow and let it grow and let it grow. I plant the seed and let it grow. I plant the seed and watch it grow. If it ain't yours, then let it go. Let it go. I plant the seed and let it grow. I plant the seed and watch it grow. If it is yours, then you will know. You will know. Always water your garden. See, they say the grass is only greener when you ain't stepping on it. Yeah. And I know that taking the first steps can be scary, love. But you can't ever look around for comparison. And the earth may have its way, but you got the final say. And it may not come to you today, but but trust in the time it takes. Whoa, yeah. I plant the seed and let it grow. I plant the seed and watch it grow. If it ain't yours, then let it go. Let it go. Oh, 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 oh. I plant the seed and let it grow. And I'm planting seeds in my garden. What I water, it grows. I'm planting seeds, so you know my garden popping for sure. Planting seeds in my garden. What I water, it grows. I'm planting seeds. My popping for sure. Hey. Now we've grown. And this song is called Play It Cards. Yeah. Wasn't empty. And as far as hands go, I knew you had plenty. Yet and still, I let your wild cards tempt me. And I just brace myself for the fallout. But gently, I've played this game a time or two before. Always with a steady top half, my bottom half be vibrating the floor. Cause I just never knew what chips you had in store. But my insatiable appetite crave more, so where is the spirit of love? Where is the spirit of trust? I can see behind your shade. And I'm about to call your bluff. 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 You know, if there was a crowd here, they would have clapped for that. That is so good. That was amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Sometimes you just gotta take a pause. I was like, man, if I was out there, I'd be like, yes. Yes. All right. Yes, thank y'all for I appreciate that. And that gives me the chance to see you. Now I have James on keys and Clarence on drums, but I am still Jass. Don't worry. recall all your poetry about you and me, about planting seeds so they grow. And you seem to think I was on the scene of a TV screen, but you can't remember the show. So who's to say that this is the first time that your path has crossed on mine? And I can admit it, that the timing was divine this time. I won't say goodbye, because I know that I met you a lifetime ago. You seem to remember me. I won't let these memories go, even if they in my dreams. I met you a lifetime ago, yeah, or maybe so it seems. Would you wanna spend a lifetime with me? 'Cause I sit and think, I sit and think, I sit and think, I sit and think, I sit and think about the late nights, play fights, stage right when you said hi. When I tried to say bye and when I tried to save time, I put it on my side. I tried to save face, I blame that on my pride. Or when the cage bird was flying, flew up in the trees we were climbing. Back when pinky swears were legally binding and rhinestones was diamonds. Those times are behind me, but how could you find me a lifetime ago? You seem to remember me. I won't let these memories go, even if they in my dreams. I met you a lifetime, so it seems. Would you wanna spend a lifetime with me? 'Cause you know, Up Down is a song about getting high and coming down as well. But you know, this is the perfect day to do that. Yeah. If you made plans, I don't want in, 'cause I don't want nothing to do. I just wanna take some time, elevate my mind, if that's all right with you. And if you wanna come along, we can take our turn, passing it back and forth. Got a one-way ticket to paradise, and I'll stay there all day long. Yeah. So come away with me, and away we'll go. And if I'm with you, then the skies are blue, and they'll stay that way for sure. I said come away with me, and away we'll go. And if I'm with you, the skies are blue, and they gon' stay that way for sure. Let's go down, yeah. Let's go down, about getting high. I've been losing motivation for some things that benefit me. I've been waking up mad early trying to find a smile that fits me. I've been taking paid vacation time, ain't even left the city. I don't know. I've been calling up my boss and telling her I'm gon' be late, and I haven't decided today what excuse I'm gon' be saying. But damn, these covers feel so good when I be lying or I'm playing. I don't know. Maybe I'll use this time to clear my mind, unplug my phone and roll a stone. How high can I possibly go before I feel I'm on a slope? Because I gotta come down. Because I gotta come down. I got to come down. Cause I gotta come down. Down, down, down. I gotta come down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. We're done.